What's up guys, Michael here, coming to you with another video on how to download or install some of the skills that you could add to the Alexa. Now, when you have Alexa, you definitely want to add some skills. There are a couple of interesting ones that would allow you to have certain kind of news briefings, weather, maybe some humor, different stuff. So how do you do this? I'm assuming that you have your Alexa already connected. If not, you can check one of my YouTube videos on how to connect your Alexa. And then you'd be going to your Amazon app, and on the left sidebar, you'd be basically going to skills and games. And then you'd have different categories. So we'll just go with, let's say, productivity. Let's have a look at what can we check here. So there's a lot of different apps and skills, so we'll just install one just for fun, education and reference. Let's have a look. Now it doesn't let me scroll down, so that could be some sort of a bug. Okay, so let's take this one, animal sounds. Okay, so once you find a really cool skill that you'd be interested, again, you can just enable it to use. And it also mentions that there are in-skill purchases available. So now once it's enabled, if you go back and you go to your skills, this would be a list of all the skills that are currently enabled. So I have weather, BBC News, animal sounds. So if you want to know if the skill works or not, you just have to say one of the commands just to check it. So let's check it. Alexa, open animal sounds.
Aloha. What animal sound would you like to hear?
Pig sound.
Here comes a pig sound. What animal sound would you like to hear now?
Monkey sound.
Here comes a monkey sound. How about saying another animal?
Alligator.
Here comes an alligator sound. Try saying another animal.
Alexa, stop.
Okie dokie.
Now you can see that the skill works really well. I like it. Now we can also use BBC News. So let's say it's already installed here. And again, it has certain settings, so you can modify it. Let's have a look. Manage flash briefing, so we can say forecast, BBC News. What else we can add? Sky Sports, free stuff, maybe smart speakers, giveaway of the day. So there's a lot of different changes that could be applied, but let's give it with a basic one. So Alexa, what's in the news?
Michael, here's what's new. From BBC News.
Here's the latest news from the BBC.
Alexa,
Sorry.
stop. We don't want to hear about the Brexit. Okay, guys, so that's about it. That's how you enable skills and games on your Alexa. Let me know if you managed to make it or whether you had any troubles along the way. I appreciate you watching the video and subscribing. Hope you have a good one, and see you in the next one.